onset of puberty varies individually and gender specifically. So you see here, for females, puberty, this is made for Dutch individuals, but so it matters for Europeans, at least Central Europeans. And you see, a Dutch girl could be sexually matured with 9 years, as well as with 16. And everything in between. So there is a span individually, there is a span of 7 years for sexual maturation of females. In males, it's from 11 to 18, so it is even the same. So you have, looking at the total population, a very wide span of age when sexual maturity and the associated growth intensity can happen. This justifies why, or justifies the idea of taking an X-ray of the hand in each of these persons, each of these growing persons, because you never knew if an 11-year-old girl is already close to puberty or still very far away, or maybe already after puberty. And similarly with the male. So the idea was that in a given population, in a given gender, the maturation, the skeletal and the sexual maturation, they correspond very close to one another, because as soon as sexual hormones are produced, growth hormones are reduced. So they compete. Yeah? And that means as soon as sexual maturity is onset, you know that the growth hormone production is going down, and the growth, as a response to growth hormone, is going to decrease. And therefore, the idea was that if such persons, an individual who would like to know where exactly are these persons with respect to the velocity curve, and with respect to sexual maturation. No? So, we know that this varies very much. You see, some have these individual growth spurt very early, some have it very late. You see, this is the average line, the dashed line, and the average. And you see very well that those who mature early have a more intensive growth, and those who mature late, they have a less intensive growth. Yeah? If you put them over in a vertical configuration, you see that there is quite a difference in the early maturing to the late maturing. Yeah? So late maturing means that they grow less per year, but they grow longer. So finally, they have the same amount of growth, which, by the way, leads to probably equal body size, or can lead to equal body size. Yeah? Okay. So, what is this?